alaikum students. I hope you're all doing well. Today, it's our first discussion class of biology on the exciting topic of biodiversity. I hope you all have done with the test. So, without any further delay, let's move towards our topic. So our first question is, AIDS is caused by. So they are asking the causative agent of AIDS. So if we have prepared the chapter, our mind will click yes, it should be viruses. Now we move towards our options. Option 1, viruses. It could be correct, but don't forget to read other options. Keep in mind it could be an eye catcher. Don't just tick mark the option immediately. Next option is bacteria. Absolutely incorrect. Fungus, which is also incorrect. Last option is HIV, which is more appropriate than first option. Question number 2. All enzymes are present in HIV except. Except shows we have to find that enzyme which is absent in HIV. We know HIV has 3 enzymes which we can remember by a trick. RIP, rest in peace, haha, no. It's reverse transcriptase, integrate, protease. So correct option is Charlie lysozyme. It's not present in HIV but present in bacteriophages. Question number 3. In the figure shown, structure C represents. We can easily recognize that it's a protein coat called capsid, while structure E represents enzymes and D represents DNA and so on. Question number 4. A process absent in viruses. Let's see our options. Energy production. It could be correct, but we have to read all options. Mutations. No, because viruses have DNA and RNA, so they show mutations. Replication. No, as viruses show replication in host. So correct answer is alpha, energy production. Question number 5. Halber and co-worker, 2001, said that hepatitis- could be transmitted through pig. It's an additional information. Hence correct answer is delta option, hepatitis E. Question number 6. First of all, the bacteriophage attaches to the bacterial cell at dash site. Let's move towards our options. Receptor. Landing. Attacking. Inducing. Correct answer is receptor. Of course, first it will be attached at the receptor site and then proceed to further cycle. Question number 7. Which hepatitis has same symptoms as hepatitis B but more severe? C. A. D. Infectious. As hepatitis A, also called infectious hepatitis, so these options are excluded. Hence correct option is Charlie, hepatitis D. Question number 8. Kinds of viruses are. Now this question is again information based. And correct answer is 4000 delta option. Question number 9. Which hepatitis is by RNA virus which is enveloped? It's again textbook information. Correct answer is Charlie option, as hepatitis A and E viruses are RNA non-enveloped, and hepatitis B virus is a DNA virus. Question number 10. Which of the following illness is not caused by a retrovirus? Let's see options. Smallpox, herpes simplex, hepatitis. All. So correct answer is delta. As we know in our book, we have read only about one disease which is caused by retrovirus, and that is AIDS. Question number 11. Biodiversity is due to mutation, development plus mutation plus evolution, organic evolution, mutation and organic evolution. As mutation and organic evolution are the major causes of diversity in life. Correct answer is delta option. Question number 12. Which describes about viruses? It's a very simple and conceptual question. We know all options are describing viruses, so appropriate option is delta. Question number 13. What is the most effective protection against viral infections? Microbistatics. No, because they inhibit reproductive capacities of bacterial cell. Antibiotics, which also used against bacteria. Disinfectant. Kill bacterial cells from non-living surfaces. Natural immunity of the host. Yes, this option is most appropriate. Question number 14. A viroid has its simple book line. Viroids consist solely of single circular RNA, so correct answer is Charlie option RNA. Question number 15. The mode of nutrition related to animals in 5 kingdom classification is just a simple concept, as animals are ingestive heterotrophs. So correct answer should be Charlie option. Question number 16. Which is an infectious protein particle? We know prion are infectious protein particles. So correct answer is again Charlie, prion. Question number 17. The capsomeres in the capsid of herpes virus. Correct answer is 162. While 252 are present in adenovirus. Question number 18. Example of spherical virus is. Let's check options. TMV. No, it's rod-shaped. T4 phage. No, it's tadpole-like. So correct answer is beta poliovirus, which is spherical. Question number 19. Who made modification in 5 kingdom classification system? This question is from PTB. Correct answer is Alpha, Margulis and Schwartz. Question number 20. The most appropriate character to substantiate living nature of virus is transmissibility. No, it is the ability to transfer disease. Multiplicity. No, because it is ratio of infectious viruses. Infectivity. It is illness resulting from infection. Mutability. It is the ability to change. Because viruses have DNA and RNA which shows mutations. So correct answer is delta.